Hey guys, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to be sharing these Dollar Tree DIY pumpkins with you. If you like crafty ideas like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click that bell notification to be notified when I upload new videos, and let's get started. Now, I was totally inspired to create some of these for myself when I saw a fellow YouTuber create some for her home. I will leave a link to her video below because I want to give credit where credit is due. This is not my idea. I just made it my own as far as embellishments and everything that I've added. These are the two pumpkins that I started with. These are from the Dollar Tree, but you're going to need two of the pumpkins that are on the stands. And then I used two of these I Am Thankful pumpkins. Actually, you're going to need three, but that is another story, so stay tuned. And this is the scrapbook paper that I chose to use. All of it is from Hobby Lobby. To start on the pumpkins, I just took them off of the little wooden stand. I set that to the side because we're going to need that. And then I removed any embellishments as far as like the little sunflower and then the raffia bow as well. Now on these pumpkins, I removed the metal leaf, the raffia, and then I just cut off the jute because I'm not going to need that. And then what I did is I just traced I figured out my patterns of paper that I wanted for each pumpkin, and then I just traced it and then cut it out with scissors. Then I took some Mod Podge and I put Mod Podge all over the front of the pumpkin as well as the paper. And then I just smooth that on with my roller. And then I got my squeegee and I squeezed out tried to get out some of that Mod Podge where my pumpkins were smooth. The squeegee works really good. Just remember to get all on the edges. That really helps. If there is any of the little paper on the edges, I just took my little sanding tool and just sanded off any of that if the edges bother you. And then I just took my tack cloth and just wiped them, and the tack cloth just gets off little particles. And then now I am inking the edges just with some little brown ink. I think that it gives it a rustic feel, so that's what I'm doing, just inking around those edges. Okay, for the stem of the pumpkin, I've decided to use these part of these burlap leaves from the Dollar Tree, and just cutting them apart until I get the shape that I want to be the stem of the pumpkin. And then to add a little bit more definition, I am just taking my ultrafine Sharpie marker and taking just doodling around the pumpkin, just giving it some lines and just some doodles because that's what I like to do. Now I am going to build my pumpkin, and so I'm just using my Rapid Fuse all-purpose adhesive, and it's kind of like super glue. It dries really fast, and so it's going to hold this really good. And so I am just making sure that that is really glued there together. And then now I'm going to put some leaves on there. I put some wire. I made like a curly stem, and just building it up with just different ribbons, burlap, cording that I get in the jewelry section. It looks really cute on these rustic pumpkins, just really, really cute. Okay, guys, let's take a moment and look back at our work. These two turned out perfect, aren't they? They're just so fun and beautiful. And then now let's look at these. Oh my gosh. Yes, I do mess up, guys, and I chose not to edit this out because I want to show you if something like this happens to you where you get it off center, how you can fix it and your project is saved. So I am using one more pumpkin from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to use this orange polka dotted paper, and I'm going to do everything that I've done before. I will just add a third pumpkin to that one set. And actually, I think my mess up, I think I like that one better. So there are options. So I'm just kind of holding it up here, just trying to figure out how I want it. Since those two pumpkins are the same from the Dollar Tree, I'm trying to figure out how I want to tilt it so that it kind of looks a little bit different. And then once I figure that out, then I go ahead and glue those all together. And my mess up turned into something really cute because I actually like it a lot better with the three pumpkins. So that's great, a great option for us. Anyway, so now I'm just going to add some more leaves and ribbon and stems and just all kind of goodness. Now I am just adding some Spanish moss to finish off this little rustic pumpkins. It really kind of adds some filler and it just kind of finishes off that bottom. And then now I'm just snipping off some little flowers from the Dollar Tree that I got recently, and just adding those to the bottom of this little pumpkin stand. And then I also added some orange pip berries. That just makes my little old heart just happy. My little country heart, just pip berries just make me so happy. And I would love to know what you think about these Dollar Tree DIY rustic pumpkins. I just love them so much. Let me know below. Do you like the three pumpkin little setup family here, or do you like the two pumpkins? Tell me which one. Let me know below. Do you like the three or the two? And guys, if you recreate these, I would love to see them. Love to give you some love, and you can do that by tagging me on Instagram at Country Charm Tracy, or I have a free Facebook group, Country Charm Community. I will leave those links in the description below. I appreciate you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate your support and everything that you do for me. Love you bunches. God bless.